Hello everybody, this is Cooking with Corey. I am going to be making my favorite snack, cucumber chips. The full recipe is down below with the ingredients and the directions, so no worries. And I will do my best to leave links to all the gadgets I have been using down below as well. So obviously our first ingredient is going to be the cucumber, and we're going to start slicing them up. Just like that. Slice, 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 slice. And there we go, super speed. Gotta be careful not to get my knuckles, oh gosh. Okay, we're good. And so there we go, a beautiful bowl of cucumbers. See, look how pretty and wet they are, I guess. So first we're gonna get this, and that is apple cider vinegar. Woohoo! So we are gonna put 1 tablespoon in there. Oh wait, I forgot to shake it. Okay, hold on, shaking, 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 and we're good. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in there. And now we are going to add organic extra virgin olive oil. And how much are we going to add, you ask? 1 tablespoon again. We're adding both of these ingredients 1 tablespoon each because that was relatively a very large cucumber for some reason. So I'm just doing that. So you can do both or one or the other. I personally like just the olive oil, but we're rocking out with this today. And now we're going to add some freshly ground black pepper to give it that little bit of kick if I ever stop. Okay, that's a lot. Wow. Alright, and after that, the pink Himalayan salt. I love that stuff. Wow, okay. That's also a lot. Oh geez, stop! Oh my god. Okie dokie then, and now we're gonna go in and stir it, and I'm doing it with my hands. You could definitely do it with a spatula or a spoon. You don't have to be like me and crazy, you know, going all at it. All in there, yep. Gotta get every cucumber, every piece. After that, we're going to set up our dehydrator. It's super awesome. You guys should totally get one of these things. If I can figure out how to put it on correctly, at least. Okay, there we go. Figured it out. Sorry. Perfect. And now we're going to grab our cucumbers, and we're going to start just laying them out. Perfectly, just like that. Make sure they aren't overlapping each other, just barely touching each other maybe, but not laying over each other. It doesn't work the same, trust me. And we're going to speed it up a little because this takes a process. Every single cucumber's got to be laid out. Okay, 1 tray done. Level 2, here we go. And time for level 3. Told you guys, that was a big cucumber, man. And finally, we're going to the last 4th level. Weird, 4 is the last one. Anyways, just the last bit of cucumbers, it seems. No biggie. And now we're gonna put the lid back on. Okay, here we are, and the next morning I just let it go all night, so they should be super crunchy, and wow, they really are. Look at that. It just broke. That's okay, got many more. And just look at them. Wow. Wow, I want that right now. I wish I had more. Now these cucumber chips are really awesome because I am on a keto diet right now, and these are amazing for when I get those snacking munchies and I just want popcorn or some potato chips, and obviously I can't have those things. So these make a great substitute, and they're so easy too. I mean, look at that. Beautiful, right? Anyways, thanks for joining me, you guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and there's definitely going to be more to come.